welcome back to today's video. We are doing another super chill PR beauty unboxing, and I'm sharing with you guys what I got in the mail as a smaller beauty influencer. I love doing these videos. I think they're so much fun. I think you guys really enjoy them too. At least I think you do. Give this video a thumbs up if you like PR unboxings. It's just a way for me to show you like what do I get in the mail, and sometimes like as a smaller influencer I tend to get things that are different and cool, and I don't know, it might be just like different from what you're used to seeing, and I have some cool new brands and it's fun. I don't know. I'm very blessed and grateful to be able to receive PR. Every day I am so thankful. Obviously, like, they're just things, but I like to every day thank God for what he has blessed me with so greatly. So I feel very appreciative. If you are new here, hey, my name is Kim. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos. I upload tons of fun content every week. So let's just get on into the PR free makeup unboxing. I like never know what to call these, but let's just get into it. Questionable lighting situation right now. The sun is kind of going down, so we'll see if I need to get a ring light going. This is actually from Kiss, and I showed this on Instagram stories. That's why it's already opened up. So this is actually the first package I ever got from Kiss, and I thought it was really cool because they're actually based in the same area where I live, and yeah, it's just funny to like receive PR from like a place that you would pass by from. So kind of surreal, kind of cool. Kiss is a very well-known like lash nail brand. They do the Impress manicure. They make a lot of things you probably don't know they make, like that Joa brand at CVS. That is made by the people who make Kiss. So they sent me a really cute box of a variety of things. So first we have this magnetic eyeliner, which sounds like it's interesting. So it's like they give you the liner and then they give you the actual lashes with magnets. So this is what they look like, and it has the little glue and everything. So maybe I'll do a video on that. They also sent these My Lash But Better everyday wearable lashes. So it's more like a natural lash. That's what it kind of looks like. I thought that was Kourtney Kardashian. But definitely excited to try those. I am a huge fan of Kiss lashes. Their lash quality is amazing. The band is not thick. This one actually looks a little thick though. This is the Lash Couture Matte Black. I said that's so weird. Faux mink lashes. These are super dramatic. As the name suggests, it is a couture line. Quite dramatic. It's not often I wear big lashes like that. Another set of the My Lash But Better. I actually didn't tell you guys the name. So this one is Blessed, and this one is, you can compare them side by side, and it says it has super fine band technology. To see that, I love a thin band. I can't deal with like a thick band. I don't know if it's just me. They also sent over 2 of their lash glue liners. This is like one of the best inventions in the beauty industry, I would say. It's a eyeliner, but it's also a lash glue, and they have clear and they have black, so you can wear it like an eyeliner and then put the lash right on top. It's genius, honestly. Like, I am so glad that they invented these. So if you guys have never tried these before and you're still using regular lash glue, highly suggest you use one of these. What I actually like to do is I put glue on the ends when I'm using these just to make sure they don't pop off. Lastly, a bunch of nails. And I'm like such a baby. Like, anything with press-ons, I like never really experiment much with it because I don't like feeling something thick on my nails. The feeling drives me crazy. So I'm gonna have to see if I would try these. Like, I think they are so pretty, and I always look at them when I'm at the store, but me actually wearing them, I don't know. Like, whenever someone else wears them, I'm like, oh, they're so pretty. So this is the Impress manicure. Like, the design is super cute, and I know a lot of girls will actually use these with glue. Some girls even tell me they use like super glue from Dollar Tree. I can't. That would like freak me out. But if they want to make them last for like a long time or whatever. So this set is called I'd Rather Be, and it's like glitter, gems, really, really pretty design. This next one is called Impress Color. So there's no design. It's just a plain, like, solid, pretty lilac color. So those are fun. I think these would be cool if you just are like kind of like maybe going to an event and you need to like put something pretty on. They're so cool to look at, but I would personally not wear them, so I'll probably end up putting them in a giveaway. They're the Voguish Fantasy multicolored nails. I just don't wear long nails. I think they look so pretty on other people. Like, when girls have long nails, I'm like, oh my gosh, like their nails, their hands look so pretty. For me, I don't like the feeling. I feel like I can't do anything. I admire them from afar. Kiss sent over, that was so fun to share with you guys. So we got some nails and then some lash items. Thank you so much, Kiss. A package next from a brand called Base Blue. I feel like I unboxed a lot of their stuff, but they're not like too well known in, I guess, the makeup industry. Tools and like sponges. During Christmas time, they sent me that little snowman sponge and he was like adorable. It says open in the dark. I'm assuming it's gonna be something glow in the dark, but I'm not in the dark right now, so I'm just gonna open it. See. Oh my gosh, the thingy popped out at me. Okay, I've like never had like a little spook like this in a PR box before. That was cute. Okay, so this is, oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so this is the Glowing Ghost makeup sponge. Glowing Ghost makeup sponge, vegan and cruelty free, latex free. Wait a second, I have to open this and see what it looks like, because it is actually, I think it's glow in the dark. I'm gonna have to test this and then I'm gonna post about it on TikTok because people love stuff like this on there. Stop, he is the cutest thing I have ever seen. I will link this for you guys if I can find it on their website. I cannot wait to do a little reel with this guy. He is so cute. I like friendly looking ghosts like Casper. I don't like scary things or scary ghost things. I like this one where he's cute and has little cheeks and a smiley face. This I can handle. Like this little thing that popped out. That was funny. Okay, so thank you so much, Base Blue. I love glow in the dark thing. Next up, I have a package here from Replenix. I think I opened one of their boxes in my last video as well. So they are a skincare brand. I do use like a lot of their sunscreens and their vitamin C serum. I'm like so sad because it's getting the time now where it's like getting a little bit darker at like 7:30 and I can't handle it. Can't handle it. We have a new antioxidant hydrating cleanser with green tea, embolica, and bisbol. I've never seen that before, or that ingredient. It says it's a clinical grade moisturizing cleanser to replenish the skin with antioxidants. It does have sulfates, lavender oil, cucumber fruit extract. It has fragrance, sodium PCA. Alright, I mean, that's pretty decent. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. I think it would have been nice if they wouldn't have put the fragrance in here. I think that would have made it even better. So that, and then we also have their lightweight multivitamin moisturizer, vitamin A, C, E, CoQ10, and aloe leaf juice. There's also no fragrance in here, which is great. And then lastly, we have this tinted brightening eye cream. Ooh, you guys, wait, this has Edelweiss in it, which makes me want to sing Sound of Music. Blossom of snow, may you bloom and grow. Edelweiss, bless my homeland forever. I had to sing it. This has advanced peptides, hyaluronic acid. I like that it's tinted. It says it helps improve fine lines and wrinkles and restores hydration and tightens puffiness. I am like an eye cream junkie, so I will definitely be testing this guy out. I'm most excited about the aloe vera moisturizer and the tinted eye cream because I don't have any sort of eye cream that has a tint to it, and I love stuff like that. Next up, we have a package here from IT Cosmetics. I am like still kind of in one of those like pinch me moments that I'm getting PR from them because I don't know, it's so crazy. I'm like, wait, what? That is so cool. So this is the IT Cosmetics Hello Plus Lashes Lash Loving Volumizing Mascara. I didn't even know about this product. I haven't heard of it before. I have been using their Superhero Mascara, which I've really been enjoying. So this is a lash care serum. So it probably has some sort of like lash growth in it. It says, say hello to your caring lash transformation. It's one of those brushes that has like the little spiky ball on top. It says 7 out of 10 saw less lash loss. Say that 20 times fast during removal. 93% said lashes looked fuller. Thank you so much to IT Cosmetics. Let's just look at the bottle real quick. Oh wow, there's like a little grip on top. I've never seen that before. That's pretty cute and helpful for when you're putting on your mascara. So Very cool. It says it's available at Macy's and Ulta, so I will link that for you guys if you want to check it out. Next we have a package from Dr. Zenobia, and I think actually Dr. Zenobia and Replenix are like sister brands, like they're owned by the same company. Sorry if that was like a brand secret, but I think they come from the same place. So I do really like Dr. Z products. I do use them currently. So we have in here the 10% glycolic acne peel pads. Okay, yes, because these are what freaked me out last time. Same as the Replenix, these have acetone in them, and I was like, heck to the no, like I don't want to put anything with acetone onto my skin, so I don't like that. I like a glycolic peel pad, but something about having that ingredient in here just freaks me out. I have received, I haven't tried it yet though, it's the Advanced Retinol Night Repair. This actually has bakuchiol, which is like a retinol alternative. It does have retinol. It has retinol, resveratrol, and it has bakuchiol, so it has both. I'll put retinol like on my forehead because that's where I find I have the most like trouble spot, I guess, like with fine lines. So I want to see how this works. So this one I will definitely try. There's no like weird ingredients, and there's also no fragrance in here. Quick check-in, we have 4 more packages to go, and I think they're all going to be good ones. Next up, we have a package here from, I believe this is Bliss. I saw Bliss somewhere. Does it say here? Okay, yeah, this is from Bliss. So let's open this up. It says clear, calm, and confidently you. Cool tip. Half the fun of these videos is seeing me struggle with opening the packaging. Okay. We have, this is Clear Genius 2 new formulas. So I remember when they launched this, they sent a PR package, so I guess this is like an add-on to the line. So this is actually really cute. They put a little sticky thing, write a love note to yourself and stick it on your mirror. It's really sweet. It's a Bliss pencil. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. It says Bliss right there. So this is the Clarity 5 Complex, BHA, Witch Hazel, oh it has niacinamide, Zinc PCA Cica, you guys are probably so sick of me saying that, 2% salicylic acid. I would try this though on my back and see how it is with my back. Is this just like, this is so unique. Have you guys ever seen a spray that's like in a container like this? It's very innovative packaging. So this is to target acne and prevent future breakouts. This is the acne spot treatment with 2% salicylic acid. I will be donating this though because it has the niacinamide in it. It's a clarifying toner and serum. I'm also going to put this in a giveaway for you guys. So that is what Bliss sent over. Am I losing my light? I think I need to get a ring light. So this is so cute with the little notepad. Thank you so much, Bliss, for sending this over. Guys, I had to switch locations. We moved over to my cozy chair because I lost the light from the window and had to put the ring light on. There's that change of scenery. So next up we have a package from Sally Hansen. I love getting packages from Sally Hansen. I just think it's a lot of fun because they are just a classic brand. And if you guys don't know, Sally Hansen is, I was looking up like the history of Sally Hansen the other day because I was curious, and she actually has an interesting story. Maybe I should do like a video on it. Oh, I saw this at the store the other day. It's their 8-day Mani on the go. Sally Hansen, it takes 2 Miracle Gel color and top coat. It's a handy duo to achieve a beautiful manicure with a gel-like shine. These fun duos. Let's open this up. The other side, do you guys see that? So nail color and then top coat, shimmery pink color, blue. Oh, that's a fun color. It's like a baby blue. We have Rain Glow. That's a weird name though for that because it's just like a pink. I don't know why it's not like a rainbow. This is Get Mod. Oh, that's a white. Okay, I want to try these. And then this one is, I think this is a red. This one's called Can't Beat, B-E-T Royalty. It's from a brand called Plum Beauty, which you guys have probably seen their stuff at Target. At least that's where I see their display. And they're basically like a tool self-care brand, like manicure tools, pedicure tools. So they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their stuff. And it was actually nice because I got to go through the website and pick what I wanted to try because I actually like doing that so I'm not feeling wasteful. Like when they send you a bunch of stuff and you don't use half of it. I prefer actually to like pick out what I want to use, so I'm not being as wasteful if I'm not going to use something. And they sent over a little card. It says, Kim, we hope you enjoy these products as much as we do. XOXO, the Plum Beauty team. That is so sweet. It says they're available at Target, Walgreens, CVS, and Amazon, and they're all under $50. I've used like glass nail files before and I really like them. So it says to remove calloused skin, and I do have calluses on my feet that drive me crazy, so anything like that to help, I need to try. So we will use that. Also sent their total nail care system. I don't know if this was on my list, but I think this is definitely going to come in handy for when I do my manicures. And there's 2 AAA batteries that it comes with as like a cuticle pusher. Also would be amazing for like pedicures. So that is really cool. So we have, oh, I've been dying to try one of these. This is a cooling facial roller. It has that stainless steel, so you put it in the refrigerator or the freezer and then roll it on your face like morning and night. I love face rolling. I am like a huge fan of that. So it says you could put it in the fridge, soothes and calms irritated skin, and it's made from high quality stainless steel. So again, I will link this brand for you guys if you want to check out their products. I have some really cool things in here. I've been wanting a foot file for so long now because y'all know my feet are looking a little rough right now. I need to like get them back into tip-top shape, even though it's like mid-September. This is the automatic foot file. It says it's perfect for home pedicures. You could use it on dry, rough skin. Use wet or dry. I think I would actually probably use this in conjunction with my Freeman Beauty like foot spray, that stuff that I love that like went viral on my TikTok. It's actually, wow, it's really big. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's really big. And then it actually comes with a like replacement little head. So I feel like this is going to be amazing for at night. I'm going to use this, put on my lotion and my socks, and I feel like my feet are going to look really good. The last thing in here, this is super cool. It's a ultrasonic facial spatula. I have seen these, but I've never tried it, so that's why I added this to my list. So it says it extracts deep-seated dirt and impurities, allowing optimal absorption of skin products. There's 2 modes. It removes blackheads, dirt, and oil. It has gentle vibrations to help infuse skincare products. So you can extract and you can use it for skincare. So it has 2 benefits to it, which is really interesting. I don't know if you can see, it's like literally a little spatula. So cool. So thank you so much to Plum Beauty for sending all of these goodies over. I have so many new tools to play with. Definitely check them out. Maybe you guys have seen them before, like I said, but I'm excited to try these out and give you guys a review. Guys, that is it for my fun PR haul unboxing, what I got in the mail over the past couple of weeks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Comment down below. I love chatting with you guys. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was out of everything I showed. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!